What is up, YouTube? Today is another day, and I am in another hotel in another city, in a place I don't want to be. So today is a C8 here in Waterbury, Connecticut. After editing a video, my last upload actually, I've realized that like this iPhone is what I'm currently using to shoot on the iPhone 12 Max Pro, and it's just a bit grainy and whatnot. If I'm gonna do this, I might as well do this right. So I think as I'm pulling my stuff here together, I'm gonna stop by Best Buy and pick up a Hero 9. Those, been doing some reviews on them. Do I have everything? I do not. I've been hearing almost left the damn drone again. So I'm gonna go ahead and swing by Best Buy, see what they got. And maybe possibly halfway through this video, we'll be on a better quality and a different system. Gotta find a Best Buy, something to eat. Mocha latte sounds really good. Gonna find something to eat, something to drink, head to a Best Buy, look at some GoPros, and see what I can find. Hopefully they have something with this whole virus crap. A lot of people are out of stock on a lot of stuff, especially with electronics, so wish me luck. Okay, so I'm here, a place called Meriden, city of Meriden, Connecticut. Best Buy, I can go in and check out the GoPros. Alright, so I got it. I got the Hero 9. However, Best Buy, you are not Apple in any way, shape, or form. I do not understand why you guys are making people wait 20 and 30 minutes to buy something that's just simply locked up in a case. You're not Apple. You have 3 employees for 80 customers. Stupid. What's up, guys? It is me. I am here in, where am I? Waterbury, Connecticut. And as of right now, I am sitting outside this shop. Very, very unlabeled. Told to park in front of the no parking sign. So let's go ahead and hop on in here and meet Eric. The customer's name is Eric, and it's a beautiful red C8 from the pictures that I've seen. So let's go ahead and check it out. Are you Eric?
Sir, glad you made it, bro.
No, thank you. Not a problem. So this is the beast right here?
Yes, sir.
Wow. It's very shiny. What all have you
A lot of carbon fiber duties. The nose, this piece, that, the mirrors, the side skirts, the boomerangs, the wing,
Wow.
exhaust. We've got fab speed on her.
We're finalizing our deal with 5-speed for us.
Oh, nice.
Eikon, yeah. I've never removed the rear end of a C8 yet, so
Really
that's what I wanted to go. No? I wouldn't imagine so. I mean, I've torn
You got
apart.
tape and stuff off. I mean,
Yeah.
you watch the video on Fab Speed's YouTube channel, and it's pretty descriptive.
Is that? So what is this place? You got a lot of stuff over here.
We sell classic and specialty cars, so
Ah.
this is the warehouse. I figured it'd be more room for you to do it in here than my garage at home, which is a little tighter.
Yeah, I'm normally stuck with like 1-car garages and
Yeah, I saw.
outside. Yeah, they're not always the best, but you know, it's not impossible either. That is beautiful.
Thank you.
All right, all set up to get going. See here. And that is it. That's every tool that I'm going to be using for this whole process. Here's the kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening things up on the car and taking panels off. What was cool was the customer, Eric, he was helping before I had got here. So he already took the door panels off the car, which was nice of him. And a couple other things. He taped up the A-pillars for me. The car's wrapped. So my concern was like tape, pulling the wrap up when I released it. So solve that and let's get into this install. Before I get the fenders pulled off here, just wanted to take a second to thank today's sponsor of this video is actually Dan's sponsor, Red Bull. So they were so kind to give us the peach edition this time. Last time I was experienced with the watermelon, so that was amazing. So thank you, Dan. Do it with Dan's Red Bull sponsorship. I'm sponsoring this video vicariously through Dan. All right, so I got the car all pulled apart. As you can see over there, it's all taken down. But Eric, the customer, was taking advantage of the fact that the bumper's off, so he was putting this grill in. And oh my God, this is the thing I've ever seen.
Yep, I agree.
Look at this. They only give you 4 zip ties from the factory, or from like whoever manufactures. What was it? C8.
Yeah, they want you to put 4 zip ties in. I think you should put more, obviously.
Yeah, C8grills.com. Do better, man. Because this is pathetic for a nice, beautiful car, and that's the quality of what you give out. Come on, do better. So Eric, well, as I said earlier, took the door panels off. He's putting them back on now. How's it going down there?
Easy job.
Easy job. Anyone can do it, right?
Absolutely. I luckily had them on off.
All right, so everything's ready to go, as you can see here. Got my thing bent out of the way. I just gotta cut this little guy right here off. But all the wiring, everything, as you can see, is dangling down there. But take another drink of today's sponsor. It's time to cut. All right, we are cut. We are cut. Ooh, that's hot. I'm just gonna grab it. There we go. That is the only piece I cut off of your frame of your car. And it was right here. And what that is, I'm not sure if you can see with the light. Let me get a flashlight here. 1 second. So this was the piece where you see that edge right here. And before anyone says anything dumb, it's aluminum, so it's not gonna rust. There's no need to paint that little part over there. There's no need for it. But as you can see what that was, it's not structural. There's your shock for your frunk that goes up right there. And that's your frunk shock. It's literally just the back. Move the camera light. It's literally just the back side of that mount. So it's not doing anything for the car. Yes, it was holding 1 screw, as you can see right here. As you can see right there. It was holding the screw for the fender, but that part of the fender has to be removed anyway, so it's useless. Going back to factory is still possible. You're not gonna notice any differences. It's not gonna cause a problem. It's just, it's in the way, so it stops the door from going up. It's got to go bye-bye. Tell me what you think here.
Love it. So how far do I just go out?
It'll stop.
Stop. Oh, that's all.
Yep. And pull it down and go ahead and push it and close it.
Oh, I see.
You slammed the hell out of it, but yeah, you can just let it go.
Just let it go on the...
Yeah, just kind of push a little bit until when you close it.
So when you're going up, you kind of got to hold it out a little bit.
Yeah, until that part breaks, wears in, until the groove is kind of formed.
Oh, look how nice getting in's gonna be. No more kicking the door panel. I seriously hate it. That's why.
Yep. So it doesn't kick the door panel. That's nice.
Wow.
Smoother than factory.
So you don't gotta slam it like I did.
Yeah.
Nice, dude. Love it.
All right, so we got the one side done right here on this beautiful C8 here. One side's completely done. I go ahead and have Eric, the owner of the vehicle, go ahead and open it and close it for you guys so you can see. What do you think, how that feels?
Beautiful.
Beautiful?
Excellent.
Feels great. Go ahead and give it a close. Show them how easy. That's it.
Incredible.
That's it. What do you think of the gaps?
Perfect. Factory gaps there. Get what you pay for, Tim. Glad we have you doing the car.
That body line there. Perfect. Perfect. So again, the one side's done. Finished up the second side over here, and we'll be out of here. All right, we are all finished, as you can see.
So much easier to get out of. God damn.
All right, so that is it.
Looks so good, bro.
It does, it looks great. He's a very, very happy customer, so. All right, so until next time, he's gonna take me out to dinner, so an appreciative thank you for sure for Eric, and been a trooper and a pleasure to work with, and I appreciate the hospitality, sir. It was an honor.